Hey everyone, Savada from Advanced Auto again. We're doing a two-step disinfect and protection against bacteria on our waiting area here. You see me, we went ahead and cleaned the whole waiting area first to make sure that every surface was clean to get good coverage. And here I'm spraying step one, which is basically a medical grade disinfectant, alcohol based, and it goes and kills 99.999% of bacteria, and just applying it thoroughly to everything, the counter, the table. I'm doing the chairs outside, spraying the windows, everything, the floor, to make sure that we get everything disinfected. And so it takes a process of spraying it with the paint gun basically, and once that process is done, we will start applying step two, and step two is a permanent protection towards bacteria. And just to put an ease of mind on everybody, this step, even both steps, they're EPA approved, completely safe on for adults, of course, kids and pets. It does no harm. There's nothing that you will see. Everything is all microscopic. And here we are just finishing up. I had to reload on the solution to finish up the step one. So here we are with starting to apply step two. Uh, Step two is a patented antimicrobial agent that PermaSafe uses. It chemically reacts and bonds to the surface that it's applied, and it provides 24/7 protection towards any microbes or bacteria. And they form like a spike-like appliance that is on the surface. Again, it's microscopic, and these spikes are positively charged. And when bacteria hits them, it disintegrates them and kills bacteria on contact. I gotta reiterate that this is something that is completely safe for adults, children, and pets. It's completely harmless. And of course, this is something that we are applying to vehicles, but I just wanted to show people out there kind of the process of what we did to keep our customers safe. And that's basically it. This does apply to vehicles, the complete inside, the trunk space, and everything. And I'm going to provide a link to the blog that we have for this and the PermaSafe website, so you guys can get a lot more information about it. Stay tuned. I'll be posting some more videos about it, but nonetheless, this is something that we're doing to help customers be safe and protected. And Again, it is for vehicles primarily, but it can be applied to anything. So we went ahead and did this to our waiting area. Be safe, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well in these tough times, and we're just here offering services that we can to protect everyone, and also what we can do to protect everyone when they come into our shop. All right, again, stay safe, be good.